If you're watching this video and you feel like you have a solid foundation to your breaststroke technique, but you're looking to take things up a new level and improve your speed, pay attention to this video because I'm going to show you how to approach your practice. Hey swimmers, welcome back to the Swim Bites channel. I'm Coach Mandy, and today's quick tip video is how to improve your speed with your breaststroke technique if you now have a solid foundation to your form. Now, before I get started, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching my content, be sure to show your support by hitting the red subscribe button below. That way you stay notified for new exciting content weekly.
So one of the first things to prioritize before introducing speed in your breaststroke technique is to go through some key points at an easier pace by maximizing your glide after your breath and feeling a full lengthening of your spine all the way from the top of your head to your feet after you finish a breath. Now, as you start introducing speed, you want to continue at an easy pace and start to pick up your tempo as you move along. When you start to shift your perception of the start and finish of your stroke being forward in the direction you want to go into, you'll start to change your energy and your pattern on increasing your tempo and making things such as the pull, or I should say the sweep, and your kick as quick as possible to get you into that forward momentum after every breath. So right here you can see that I stay low, prioritizing staying low, keeping my head down, but my arms are sweeping rather quickly. If I focused my finish of my stroke behind me, then I'd put way too much resistance on my arms and I'd end up stalling, and that would not give me a full glide moving forward as I increase tempo. So see here, you can see that the finish of my stroke is forward and I'm lengthening forward in the direction I want to go into, and that overall will help reduce drag and keep your movements as quick as possible to avoid disruption. Because breaststroke is a hinge or short axis stroke, this is the part of your stroke where you will reduce drag and think, again, just like freestyle and backstroke, is economy of movement. So you want to keep that arm motion and kick as quick as possible and use your entire body line by drawing your belly button towards your spine as you see in this freeze frame, where I'm fully engaging the core. It's almost feeling like I'm pulling my core into my rib cage, and that's where I feel completely strong and feel higher on the surface of the water, which therefore gives you a lot less drag as you're moving forward, especially when you are increasing your tempo. So the next time you go to the pool, try out a couple of these points of how you really finish forward and start gradually increasing your tempo, and notice if you feel a difference.
Okay, swimmers, that's it for today's quick tip video on breaststroke. If you're serious about improving your freestyle technique, your backstroke technique, and your treading water, hit the pinned comments below and join the Swim Bites program today. All right, swimmers, enjoy your practice, and I will see you all next week.